At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to A. Identify the adverb of place, B. Apply adverb of place in a sentence, C. Compose or create basic sentence using the adverb of place. Good morning, grade 4 Sampaguita. Before we start, please pick up the trash under your chair. Okay, are you done? Okay, please remain standing and let's pray. Ashley will lead the prayer. You may now sit. Is everybody present? Okay, very good. So as we go on to our formal and very interesting topic and discussion today, I want you to know first the rules and regulation inside the classroom. First is sit properly. Second, listen and participate to our discussion. 3. Raise your hand and don't shout if you want to answer on my question and if you have clarification. Last is don't talk to your seatmate when I am talking or discussing. That's disrespectful, okay? Do you understand? Very good. As I remember, I'll give you an assignment last meeting, right? Okay, pass your assignment notebook and I will give it to you right after I check it. So class, before we proceed to our discussion for today, we will first play a game. So do you know the 4 picks 1 word? Okay, very good. We are going to play this game. Class, I will divide you into 3 groups and each group will be given an illustration board and a chalk. Okay, the group 1 will stay at the right side, the group 2 will stay at the middle, and the last group will stay at the left side. Choose your group leader and each leader will be the one who will raise an answer and write the answer at the illustration board. Do you understand? Okay, very good. Okay, this is your group. Ashley, please read it. Our mechanics for this game is the group who will raise first with the right answer will be given 2 points. 1 point for those who raise their answer correctly, pero late, and no points to those who raise their answer wrong. So please go to your group, then we will start. Okay. For number 1, this is 6 letters. And 3, 2, 1. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, very good. This is school. So, since you all got the number 1, you will be given 2 points per group. So, for number 2, this is also 6 letters. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, very good. This is church. So, the number 3 is 8 letters. Okay, very good. This is hospital. So for fourth picture, this is 4 letters only. 3, 2, 1. Okay, very good. This is park. For last picture, this is 5 letters only. Okay, very good. This is beach. Very good. You are able to finish the task I gave to you. So all of you got the correct answer. So each group will have 10 points. So what have you noticed in the picture I showed you? The 5 pictures I showed you. The school, church, hospital, park, and a beach. Okay, yes, Matthew? Okay, very good. All are names of places. Okay. Our lesson for today is all about use adverbs of place. So what do you think is adverb of place? Yes, Diane? Okay, very good. Adverb of place tells us where the action is done. So adverb of place tells us where something happens. Understood? Okay, I will read an example and tell me the verb of place in the sentence, okay? Okay. For number 1, the park keeper drops the shovel on the trolley. So where did the park keeper drops the shovel? Okay, very good, on the trolley. For number 2, the kids play volleyball behind the trees. So where the kids are play volleyball? Okay, very good, behind the trees. So number 3 is Jake and Saldi are talking in the garden. So where did Saldi and Jake are talking? Okay, very good, in the garden. Okay, for the last example, Ian is playing at the park. So where Ian is playing? Okay, very good, at the park. So for the second example, I will read the story. For you to totally understand it, I will read the story, then tell me the different adverb of place that's stated in the story. So eyes on the board, everybody. So the title of the story is A Day in the Market. So the title of the story is A Day in the Market. So one Sunday morning, Jenny and her mother went to the market. Mother, I can see a lot of vendors everywhere. Yes, Jenny, they come to sell their products in the town. Her mother asked Jenny to put the vegetables and fish in the basket. So why did you buy plenty of vegetables and fish, Mother? Are you going to cook all of this? No, Jenny, we will put some in the refrigerator. All right, Mother, I am excited to taste your cook for us today. So I will read again the story for you to totally understand and to distinguish where is the adverb of place that's stated in the story. So the title of the story is A Day in the Market. So one Sunday morning, Jenny and her mother went to the market. Mother, I can see a lot of vendors everywhere. Yes, Jenny, they come to sell their products in the market, in the town. Her mother asked Jenny to put the vegetables and fish in the basket. Why did you buy plenty of vegetables and fish, Mother? Are you going to cook all of this? No, Jenny. We will put some in the refrigerator. All right, Mother. I am excited to taste your cook for us today. So, what's the title of the story? Okay, very good. A Day in the Market. Okay, there are 3 of adverb of place that's stated in a story. Can you give all those 3 then? Okay, very good. First is in the market, everywhere, and in the town. Very good. Adverb of place answer the question where. Always remember that. Adverb of place answer the question where. They are mostly found after the main verb or the object in a sentence. Okay, just like what example I gave to you a while ago, you answer where did something happen or answer where the place are. Okay, for you to totally understand what adverb of place and what to use and how to use the adverb of place, here are some example of list of adverb of place. Somewhere, here, there, everywhere, nowhere, northwards, eastwards, southwards, westwards, backwards, forwards, and towards. Syempre kasama na doon yung mga places na halimbawa, for example is in a school, yung mga binigay kong examples or mga pictures kanina sa 4 pics and 1 word. So, eyes on me, everybody. I have different examples of places here and I will choose the students that will give an example about the pictures or example of sentence. Here are some example of list of adverbs of place. For you to totally understand it on how to use or what to use in adverb of place while doing in a sentence. So somewhere, here, there, everywhere, nowhere, northwards, eastwards, southwards, westwards, backwards, forwards, towards. And syempre kasama din yung iba't ibang places na hindi ko pa nabanggit. Basta places and where the story happened. Okay, eyes in front, everybody. I have examples or I have different pictures of places here and I will choose students that will give an example about the pictures. So I will give you 5 minutes to do it. Okay, I have 3 pictures here. Okay, for the first picture is zoo, second is coffee shop, then third is house. So do it in 5 minutes and do it quietly. For the first picture is zoo. Kindly give me an example that have zoo, which is an adverb of place in a sentence. Yes, Nayeli? Okay, very good. My auntie and my cousin is at the zoo right now. So for the second picture is coffee shop. I'll choose Mart to give an example that have coffee shop in a sentence or adverb of place in a sentence. So Mart, what's your answer? Okay, very good. Let's buy some bread and coffee shop at the coffee. Okay, for the second picture, I will choose Mart. Mart, what's your example in the second picture? Okay, very good. Let's buy some bread and coffee at the coffee shop. So for the third picture is house. I choose Aliana to give her answer. Okay, very good. I will go to Anna's house tomorrow morning. Okay, very good. Nayeli, Mart, and Aliana. Let's give them a 5 claps class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, very good. Do you already understand our topic? Okay. Do you have any questions or clarification before I give you an activity? Okay, I am expecting you to get a higher score in our activity for today. Okay, I will give you an activity individually. I will give you a scrambled words and you are going to arrange it for it to become a sentence and identify the adverb of place. So first, I will give you an example for you to totally understand it. Then you will do the 1 to 10 activity. So for example is went up, Jack, Jill, Inda, and hill. So the answer is Jack and Jill went up in the hill. So where is the adverb of place in the sentence? Okay, very good. In the hill. So do your activity and I will give you 10 minutes to answer it. Okay, are you done? Okay, let's start. For number 1, go in the board, Diane. Number 2, Raya. 3, Ruth. Number 4 is Vashti. Number 5 is Gail. Number 6 is JM. Number 7 is Faye. Number 8, Lizelle. Number 9, Shaira. And last is Nads. So, first, read the sentence and give the right answer. Write the answer in the board. Or, you will stand in your chair na lang, then give the right answer. Okay? So, for number 1, what's the answer, Dayan? Okay, very good. The girl is under the tree. So, since I already write the answer, this will be your bonus. So, you already got 1 in your activity. So, for number 2 is Raya. Her shoes put Lisa on the end table. So, what's the answer? Okay, very good. Lisa put her shoes on the table. So, for number 3 is Ruth. So, what's the answer? Room is Anna, her, and outside. So, what's the answer? Anna is outside her room. Okay, very good. So, number 4 is Vashti. Okay, very good. We will get energy from the sun. Okay, for number 5 is... Okay, very good. Many animals found at the zoo. So, for number 6 is... Okay, very good. My mother bought vegetables in the market. So, for number 7, playing, the kids are outside. So, what's the answer? Okay, very good. The kids are playing outside. So, for number 8, where everywhere we for looking you. Okay, very good. We were looking for you everywhere. For number 9 is Lucho Park playing is at the. Okay, very good. Lucho is playing at the park. So for number 10 or last question, Paris, my tita, a pair, both new shoes of and at. Okay, very good. My tita bought a new pair of shoes in a Paris. Okay, so we will underline or I will underline where is the adverb of place that's stated in the sentence. So for number 1 nga is that under the tree. So the correct answer is 3. So it's okay naman kung nasama yung the, basta wag mawawala yung 3. So for number 2 is table. Number 3 is outside. Okay, for number 4 is sun. Number 5, zoo. Number 6 is in the market. Number 7, outside. Number 8 is everywhere. Number 9 is park. And last is Paris. Okay, since we already done our topic, who got a perfect score? Okay, very good. You all get a perfect score. Very good. I know you already understand our topic, and I am glad that you got a perfect score in our first activity for today. Okay, since you all got a perfect score, I will give yourself a firework clap. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Pew! Okay, very good. Pew! Okay, so since you already got a perfect score in our first activity, and you said that you already understand our topic, I will ask again the question. So, what is an adverb of place again? Okay, Aki. Very good. It tells us where something happens. So, what question do adverb of place answer? Yes, Nayeli? Very good. It answers the word where. So, very good. You already understand our topic for today, or our lesson for today. So, for activity number 2, get a 1/2 crosswise, then underline the adverb of place in each sentence. I will read the sentence, then underline what is the adverb of place that's stated in the sentence. Okay, bring 1/2 crosswise na. So, I will read the question twice, then you only write the adverb of place that's stated in a sentence, okay? Don't write the whole sentence. You only write the adverb of place that's stated in a sentence. So, for number 1, the cat is hiding underneath the couch. So, for number 1, the cat is hiding underneath the couch. So, what's the adverb of place that's stated in the sentence? Okay, you done? Okay, for number 2, Rico is studying at the library. Rico is studying at the library. Okay, very good. For number 3, Alicia went to Tagum City yesterday with her family. For number 3, Alicia went to Tagum City yesterday with her family. For number 4, 100 Island is located at Alaminos City, Pangasinan. 100 Island is located at Alaminos City, Pangasinan. For the last question, Anastasia is eating at the canteen with her friends. So for the last question, Anastasia is eating at the canteen with her friends. Okay, are you done? Okay, let's check your paper. So, exchange your paper at the back. Okay, for number 1, the cat is hiding underneath the couch. So, what's the adverb of place that's stated in the sentence? Okay, very good. Couch. Okay, that's 2 points each. So, for number 2, Rico is studying at the library. So, what's the adverb of place in the sentence? Okay, very good. Library. So, number 3 is Alicia went to Tagum City with her family, or Tagum City yesterday with her family. So, what's the answer? Okay, very good. Tagum City. So, number 4, 100 Island is located at Alaminos City, Pangasinan. Okay, very good. Alaminos City, Pangasinan. Number 5 is Anastasia is eating at the canteen with her friends. So, what's the answer? Okay, very good. In the canteen. So, who got the perfect score? Okay, very good. I am glad that you that you all get a perfect score in our activity, on our second activity. Before we end our topic or our lesson for today, I will give you an assignment that will be passed tomorrow or on our next meeting. So, compose an essay regarding your childhood experience with the use of adverb of place, then underline it with color red ballpen. So, for your assignment that will be passed on our next meeting, compose an essay regarding your childhood experience with the use of adverb of place and underline it with color red ballpen. So, you will write in the whole sheet of paper, you will write all of your experience, then underline the adverb of place you stated in your experience. You understand? Okay, very good. Okay, I am glad that you already understand or that you easily understand our topic for today. So for our next meeting, we have another topic. Then always remember that adverb of place is it answers where it happens, where something happens. You understand? Okay, very good. Thank you, class, and goodbye.